Recently, a homeowner asked me if their ceiling fan light kit could be repaired without replacing the whole thing. If the fan still works well, it's worth looking into the light kit. If there are no loose wires visible, the culprit is likely a faulty pull chain switch. To check, turn off the power at the breaker box and disconnect the wires coming from the switch to the lights. Be sure that the wires are not touching anything before you turn the power back on and test the wires with a voltmeter. If no voltage is present, turn the power back off and disconnect the wires coming into the switch from the fan. Again, be sure no wires are touching anything before turning on the power to test them with the meter. If voltage is present above the switch but not below it, then this switch is bad. A replacement pull chain switch is only a few dollars and should screw into exactly the same location as the old one. With the power off, connect one side of the switch to the wires coming in from the fan and the other side to the wires feeding the lights.